तो आज हम एडीजीपी हरियाणा श्री एस के जैन साहब के पास पहुँचे हैं। इन्होंने एक बुक लॉन्च की है कॉन्शियस के नाम से। मैं एडीजीपी साहब को कहूँगी वो बुक हमारे दर्शकों को दिखाएं एक बार। देखें, ये कॉन्शियसनेस
explained scientifically by substance dualism demonstrates the existence of soul and God.
पंचकुला से वरिष्ठ पत्रकार श्री एस के जैन एडीजीपी साहब का इंटरव्यू लेंगे, जानेंगे इस बुक के बारे में, इस बुक में क्या लिखा है, क्या एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। दोस्तों, आप ज़्यादा देखें, इसको शेयर करें। धन्यवाद जैन साहब।
जैसे कि जैन साहब जी से बातचीत कर रहे हैं कि जैन साहब ने एक थ्योरी दी है कॉन्शियसनेस की थ्योरी, और इसको सुलझाने के लिए आत्मा के अस्तित्व का होना भी इन्होंने बताया गया है अपनी इस थ्योरी में। तो जैन साहब से मैं पूछना चाहूँगा, व्हाट इज कॉन्शियसनेस एंड व्हाट इज इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस?
Consciousness is the basic thing for our existence. There are lights, photons in atmosphere, or they are getting generated from sun. But when these photons come into our eye and reach brain, we get a sensation of light. We get a perception of light. We are able to see. We are able to see colors. We are able to hear sounds. Sounds are pressure vibrations, but we are able to hear distinct phenomenal quality of sound. We are able to have pain sensation. Pain is nothing but the disturbance in like a sensation which is carried through nerves to the brain, and we get a distinct sensation of pain, pleasure, taste, smell. These kind of things, we are having distinct qualities in our mind. So these phenomenal qualities are one part of consciousness. Consciousness is a mixture of so many things. There is a subjectivity. My thing is known to me only. I have got a problem of tinnitus. I hear sound in my mind, but nobody else can hear it. So this is the subjective phenomena which I feel from inside, which I know. This is a hard problem of consciousness. David Chalmers has said about hard problem of consciousness that it is subjective. How this subjectivity is getting generated from this objective material world. So this is the hard problem of consciousness. We have got free will. If I want to raise my hand, I can raise my hand. I can this free will, I feel that I have the free will, but we are not having any kind of explanation for it.
Yes, sir.
This is consciousness. This is the consciousness.
Two things.
Yeah.
Materialism and spiritualism.
Yes.
How do you correlate this thing?
Materialism is basically, we are saying everything is composed of matter only, and there is no anything non physical thing, no soul, nothing. Basically, and spiritually, we talk about soul, that we have a soul and we should look inside to know the true nature of soul. So basically, there is a, but soul concept is not fitting into the known science. How it is interacting with our body, this is a big problem. So that's why this my theory of consciousness is a bridge between materialism and spiritualism also.
Now, how and where from you got this inspiration from?
I have been got my upbringing in a Jain religious family. We have been considering that there is a God, and we have got soul, and there is we are not able to know the true nature of soul because soul is true nature of the soul is covered with all kind of maya and moh of the world, worldly affairs, and we cannot know the true nature of soul. So, but I came to know when I read somewhere on internet
Yeah.
that we are soul does not exist, God does not exist, because there is a problem of interaction and flow of energy from soul to body. So that's why then I suddenly my whole thing was I came to know that we have been living in a false world. Now after studying about this subject, I came to know that it is a very difficult concept that soul can be in the body. But suddenly I got an idea that soul, maybe we are having a soul, and this consciousness can be explained on the basis of soul. If we take that, if we can show that soul is interacting with the body.
True. Scientifically, हम humans, we are called Homo sapiens.
Yes.
True. We are having five senses.
Yes.
Can you believe in other senses also? And more or less, consciousness is also a sense, or what is it?
Consciousness, like ears and eyes are there. Uh, Aristotle has said ears and eyes. Ears and eyes are physical senses, physical organs, and that's why because of physical they can sense the limited aspect of physical sensations. Like our eyes can see only in visible range from 400 to 800 nanometer light, and we cannot see infrared or we cannot see ultraviolet. Sound we can see from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz only, because these limitations are imposed our physical organs. But we can think all kind of things. Our mind is there is no limitation on our mind. We can think any kind of thing. So this mind should reside in a non-material thing, and that is what basically is this perception of these senses. The quality of seeing, the quality of sight, quality of hearing, quality of smell, quality of taste, quality of touch, quality of pain, quality of pleasure, and we have some inner speech also, which is the state of the soul, which is the states of the soul material. We can say that we can say that it is consciousness basically. It is consciousness.
Uh, our universe means this Brahman.
Uh,
It started from what is expected 13.8 billion years back.
yes.
And our time started from there only.
Yes.
It was time zero
Yeah.
at the time of Big Bang. I don't know whether a spiritual man or spiritualism, endorse it or not.
Yes. Yes.
That depends upon.
my
But, जी.
my theory goes back before the time of Big Bang. It is saying that it is leading me to a concept of creator God, and that there was a creator God who has created this cosmos, and that God itself is God himself is responsible for creation of life, and that is giving us soul, and that consciousness is one faculty of the soul, is a property of the soul, one faculty of the soul. Because of this soul only we are having consciousness.
So you mean from the start of this universe,
This
there
consciousness,
may be a time in minus,
no, there is no minus sign. There is a time zero.
time zero.
Time zero.
Yeah.
There is a time zero, and that time zero was having our God or soul substance. Soul substance was there at time zero, and because it wanted to create life, this cosmos was created, and it settled on a place called Earth, where the life originated. So this is what my theory is leading to.
And the last question is, sir, your theory of consciousness, how it will benefit our society at large?
Since the last 2000 years or 3000 years, we can say we have been searching for soul. We are always saying that we should look inside to find out the true nature of the soul. And true nature of the soul, we have been many traditions, many of the branch of philosophy are saying that we should do meditation, we should do yoga, or we should do renunciation, we should do tapa, we should do tyaga, and these kind of all rishi munis have happened, who have searched for soul and looked inside for finding out the soul basically. And now I am able to demonstrably show that this is your true nature of soul. Soul is there, and it is because of this soul that you are getting all kind of, you are able to enjoy the world, you are able to enjoy the universe, you are able to see any kind of thing, or this is the basis of your existence. So truly this is a soul, this is the soul, and basically this is the nature of soul I have been able to show in this one theory.
अजय साहब बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका,
शुक्रिया,
आपने
शुक्रिया,
कॉन्शियसनेस
शुक्रिया,
या इससे
शुक्रिया।
आप चेतना कहें सौल से रिलेट किया है, बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया है, एंड हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे समाज को इससे बहुत बेनिफिट होगा। धन्यवाद।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.